Good morning. We have Q4 week 4 day 2. Get a little harder as this week goes on, but mainly just some algebra stuff. Okay, so we're going to find the value that completes the square. So we're going to take half of that b value. So c is equal to -2 divided by 2 and squared. So that's -1 squared, which is 1. So we got our top answer there. Okay. Number 2. It says solve each by taking square roots, etc., etc. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to factor this guy. So I'm going to bring everything over here with that x squared. X squared plus 6x, and then minus 27 is equal to 0. And this is going to be 27 times 1, or 9 times 3. 9 and 3, I can make that equal 6. So we've got our x's. I have my 9 times my 3. You can put it in whatever order you want. And I need to get a positive number in here, but a negative number here. So I'm going to need this to be positive. It's positive 9 and minus 3 make 6, and negative 3 and 9 make negative 27. So you set those equal to 0, and we're going to get x is equal to 3 and negative 9. Okay. There's number 2. And then on number 3, solve it again. So tons of solving this week. I hope this week is going well for you. Seems like our weather's gotten a little bit better. And negative 6x, and then you plus 8 equals 0. Okay. And this is factorable as well. And this could be 4 and 2. So we're going to go with negative 4 and a negative 2. And that's going to be, this side's going to be 4, and this side's going to be 2. So x equals 4 and x equals 2. Okay. And if it asks for the intercepts, this would be 4, 0 and 2, 0. All right, let's keep rolling. All right, number 4. We're here at this, use the quadratic formula. Okay. It would have been nice to not have to do that because that thing is factorable, but they say use the quadratic formula. So a lot of writing by hand here for me. Let's start that over again. All right, so x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all of that over 2a. All right, there's our Swiss Army knife again. That thing can solve any equation. This one, I believe, is factorable, which would make our life a lot faster, but so we get negative our b value. I'm going to go ahead and rearrange this guy over here. So that's going to give me x squared and then negative 4x and a negative 21. All right, so my a value is 1, b value is negative 4, and c value is I didn't even use the quadratic formula on my work, so negative 4 here. I just factored it. So if you recognize this thing's factorable, go ahead and do that. I would. That's what I did, and anyways, I'll do this. So we get negative 4 here, squared, and then minus 4 times 1 times negative 21. over 2 times 1. All right. So 4 plus or minus, take my time here, so that's 16 and positive 84. So 16 and 84. It's early in the morning, my brain's not working very well. Oh yeah, it's gonna be 100, isn't it? Okay, so then we get the square root of 100, which is gonna be plus or minus 10, and 2. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and drag that plus or minus 10 out. Take the square root of that guy. Okay, so we've got 14 plus 10, or negative 6. So 14 plus 10 is 4. 4 plus 10 is 14. So we're going to get 14 divided by 2, which is 7. Or we're going to get negative 6 divided by 2, which is negative 3. Which, if you were like me the first time and did not recognize it said quadratic equation, you'd have been done about 3 minutes ago. That's number 4. All right. Number 5. I'm going to add these things together, so we don't have to change any signs or anything. So just combine. There are no x squareds. All right, so we get x squared. The x's, there are no x's that get combined, so plus 3x. And plus 7. Just combine like terms when you add them together. So we should have b. All right. And a little harder here, subtraction. We got to take this one minus this one, so you can work that backwards if you want. Ooh, a bump in the table there. I'm going to actually write this one out. I feel a little more confident that I won't lose a sign that way. And then minus x squared plus 8. Okay. And if you're confident enough to change both of these signs, since you're minusing this, go a minus here and a minus there right off the bat, go for it. But I'm not. Especially when I'm talking on this video, there's a really good chance that I would screw that up. So we have that, and then we're going to distribute that in. So it's going to be a minus x squared and a minus 8. And combine your like terms now. So negative x squared and positive 3x. And then a minus and a minus 8. Ooh. So negative 1 and negative 8 make negative 9. There's a bump in the table here. It keeps messing me up. Okay. Alright. And that should be B, I think. Yep. Alright. Clear that board. And these last two, you can really kind of do them together. Because this says multiply them together and get an answer. And this says multiply them together and then multiply that answer by negative 2. So you kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone right here. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and multiply vertically. It's already lined up. So negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. Negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. 3x and 8 is positive 24. And 3x and x squared is 3x cubed. Don't forget you add exponents when you multiply them. Okay, so combine that up and that'll be our first part of this. So 3x cubed minus x squared. Just reorganizing this thing. We didn't have to combine anything. And minus 8. Okay. Oh, I'm so annoyed at that bump. So what we got there? A. All right, A. And then for number 8, you just take that exact answer you just had there and multiply everything by -2. So negative 6x cubed positive 2x squared minus 48x is plus 16. So I think that's A at the bottom down there, is it? Yep. Okay, there's day 2. Have a great one. See you guys.